Stable Diffusion has launched 3.0, right? While I think they were early entrants into the whole image generation piece. But honestly, Shiva, we've tried out Stable Diffusion, right, in a lot of our, in some of our use cases, right? But the kind of output that you actually get from the existing models when you compare it to Mid Journey, right, or even now to Dolly 3, right, is suboptimal, right? But while I honestly I've not tried Stable Diffusion 3.0 yet, right? But I think two things that I definitely want to highlight, and probably in future when we try, we'll share the feedback as well, is that they've actually changed the way they've been using or they're generating the image in the past model. They've leveraged something what Sora also does, right, which is called as probably two updates that they've actually given. One is they've changed the way that they actually generate, which is diffusion transformer technology, right, which is a little newer technology that even Sora uses today, which is different from what they were using earlier, like NetU type of generation, right? But second update or second flow that they've actually changed is they've leveraged something called as a direction of flow, right,
Okay.
way. Now, what does that mean is that ideally these transformers, as they actually work, is, or at least how Stable Diffusion was generating images earlier, was generating images, right, like completing an image to an endpoint, right? But this flow of direction of flow technique focuses on the flow of the image and then generates that image based on that. So it doesn't complete pixels based on the end result that it actually wants to get to, right? It actually completes that or creates that image based on the flow that it actually wants to create, right? So Stability AI is now claiming that probably this will help them generate better or more realistic images, right? Again, we've not tried that model yet, Shiva. We are yet to try it out, but these are
And we haven't even seen the demos yet, I believe.
I
Like Sora,
exactly.
right? I mean, that's where you'll have to give kudos to the marketing team of Sora, right? I mean, OpenAI. They didn't do anything. They just launched the video. It's I mean, neatly put. They launched even Mixtral. I mean, needs an applause here because Mixtral also launched the model quietly in for people in torrent for people to download. And that is how you should market. That's what Gemini should do instead of doing all the branding stuff. Let the product speak for itself. So
Exactly.
again, stability, we don't know. I mean, if they claim they've cracked it, they should have had 5 or 6 videos which are like as good as Sora or even better than Sora, which didn't come out, so we cannot kind of
That's how
comment on that.
I totally agree with you, right, Shiva. That's how the whole DNA of the company works, right? ChatGPT, OpenAI, sorry, did not speak about ChatGPT for ages and then launched it, right? They just launched it and took everyone by storm, right? Sora also, while they haven't really launched for public, but they ensured that you try it out, right, through X by sharing prompts, etc., etc. But Google, if you really look at it, right, they've launched it more as a hyped, for most of their products, right? Be it Duo, be it now Gemini, and so on and so forth, right? I think that's how the DNA of the company works, right? And that's the same for Stability as well.
Hmm. Cool. I mean, all the best to Stability team. I mean, they lost a lot of road here. Let's see if they can grab some land back.